god, oh my god! I'm just kidding.
Richard and I are back on the trails again. Now, I just turned 67. I haven't ridden for 2 years, so we're taking it easy. We're finding some pretty easy stuff.
Okay.
And right here, we've looked for this interesting little campground area where people have their trailers so far from each other. And we're saying, okay,
Wow.
kind of neat. We're going to turn around.
I'm gonna turn around.
Don't think it's a good idea to make too much noise here because, you know, these people out here and taking it easy. And then I see over here a bunch of people are waving at me, not in the fist shaking way, but the way that says, hey, how you doing?
Ah, the people are waving.
So we always catch up to ATVs usually, well most ATVs. And here's a big side-by-side ahead of us. He's going to have some fun in this puddle and sort of drown us out, but that's cool.
Oh, well, that's not very nice.
Yeah, it wasn't nice, but I don't blame him. It's kind of fun. Here I'm trying to forge a new trail, but I give up.
Okay, you lead, I'll follow you.
Now, we have old bikes. Richard's bike is a 20-year-old Kawasaki KDX 220, and of course, we don't have electric starters from back then. And here we go, he gets it going on the second kick, which is pretty awesome, and we're back on the trails again.
I know.
So it's a hot day, 34 degrees, we're staying in the woods. Again, we're taking it pretty easy, having a little fun in the puddles ourselves. So we need a break. It is excruciatingly hot, just a scorcher, and we've taken a break and we're about to start off riding in a second. So I do some magic tricks. And he's not impressed. Slowed it down here a little bit because you're going to watch his back wheel start sliding around here, but he doesn't flip out. He keeps control. There it is, right there.
Oh, wow, nice.
Did a great job. You really have to be on your toes when you're riding, so to speak, and you never cut a corner too closely because you never know what's coming around the corner.
Oh, okay. Probably some more.
We've got a guy that we've ridden with at least once before, I suppose, and he just hammers down. So it takes a chance. That's kind of a neat little blue building, which I thought was an outhouse.
I thought that was an outhouse. It's a little cabin. Yeah, it's easy stuff.
We're coming up on a large ATV lodge, and the amenities surprise me. I'll read that in a second here. Just going to turn around, get a better look at the sign, let a couple of kids on ATVs go by. And it's got a 24-hour video on the building. And it also says,
oh my god, sleep 6 people, TV, stereo, queen beds, pull-out sofa, lots of parking, wood stove, full kitchen, bath with water, WD. I don't know what that
washer
means.
dryer. So I have a little bit of fun in the puddle with some tiny wheelies, just for the fun of it. Trying to get my dirt biking legs back, and then this.
Oh, fuck. I was just coming up beside you. Oh, it was warm water. Oh, God.
In case you haven't figured out, we obviously have communicators. You can't hear what he's saying, unfortunately.
What is this? Oh, logging road. I'm doing wheelies when you start to go down there, boy.
Yeah, he flies across the water. I smash into the puddles. Might be a weight difference.
People your age aren't using it. It seems like Facebook's been taken over by the seniors. I guess. I don't know. That's funny.
Yeah, we have a lot of laughs. It's really fun. Thank God for the communicators, because it's added a whole new dimension to dirt biking. We're waiting for a car to come down the road here, and Richard's going to beckon him to come by because he wants to let us go across the street, which we've never seen before.
Okay.
But okay. He doesn't run us down, so we just keep on riding.
Oh yeah, you never see that.
So we're heading back to the car at this point. We were about 2.5 hours of riding in there, which is enough for me.
There we go.